Stars are falling too.
To illustrate this process, we'll use the simple data set shown in the screen. You'll see that there's meaningful text to identify the appointment date, and time values. Now, let's save this sheet to .csv format. Click the File tab and choose Save As in the left pane. Change the file name, if necessary, but Excel won't write over your Excel workbook file, it will instead create a new .csv file. From the File Type dropdown, choose the CSV comma-delimited option. Close the .csv file you just created. Outlook won't import the data if the .csv source file is open. Now it's time to open Outlook and then click the File tab. Choose Open and Export in the left pane. Then click Import Export from the Open section. In the wizard's first pane, choose Import from another program or file and click Next. Choose comma-separated values and click Next. Click the Browse button and work through the folder structure to select the .csv file you created earlier. Select Calendar and click Next. If you have more than one calendar, be sure to select the right one. The wizard will show the file to import. You must click the small square to the left of the file name to display the check mark. At this point, you must match the Excel values to an Outlook appointment field. The left pane lists the Excel fields, while the right pane lists the calendar fields. As you can see in the screen, Outlook maps 3 of the fields correctly for you: start date, start time, and end time. That's because the Excel field names are the same as the Outlook field names. There's no equivalent to the task field, so you must map this field manually. To map the task field, simply drag it from the left pane to the right pane and map it to the Outlook subject field. These are the newly created appointments.